Step 4. Create libraries. Libraries are not just a way to share code in NX, they are also useful for factoring out code into small units with a well-defined public API. Every library has an Nx.txt file which defines its public API. Other applications and libraries should only access what the Nx.txt file exports. Everything else in the library is private. To illustrate how useful libraries can be, we're going to create a new auth library with a controller. To start, we'll run the command nxg@narwhal/nest:/lib auth with the option controller. The controller flag here will generate a controller along with the library scaffolding. When we view the file system for our workspace, we should see an auth directory added to our libs directory of our workspace. If we drill down to the source and lib directory, we'll be able to find the file for our controller. We'll make some quick modifications to our auth controller, starting by adding a auth method to the class. Normally we do proper authentication checks here, but for now we'll simply add a get decorator to specify it as a GET request, and we'll have it so it returns an object with authenticated as true. With the auth endpoint now implemented inside of our auth module, all that remains is to import this module to our application. To do this, we'll jump into our app.module file, and we'll initially add a TS import to import the auth module from @myorg/auth, and then we'll add the auth module to the imports array. Now, if we restart our serve, we'll still be able to see our to-dos checklist on the index. However, if we add /auth to the URL, we'll be able to see that we get a response of authenticated is true.